If your custom fonts aren't uploading in Canva, like you get errors or the font just doesn't appear, yeah, let's fix that step by step. First, make sure you're on Canva Pro, Teams, or Enterprise. Custom font uploads aren't available on the free plan. Next, verify your font format. Canva supports TTF, OTF, and WOFF files. Other formats won't upload. Canva won't allow unlicensed fonts. Check you have the right to use the font commercially. Cached data can cause upload errors. Clear your cache and try uploading again. Use the latest version of Canva. Outdated versions may block font uploads. Switch to Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Some browsers may not support custom font uploads fully. Sometimes the file is corrupted. Re-download the font and upload again. If it still fails, reach out to Canva support. They can check your account and fix upload issues. So check your plan, verify the file format and license, clear cache, and use a supported browser. That's how you fix Canva custom font upload errors.